Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. So today in this video we'll be doing some important verb sentence formation. Okay? प्लीज़ इसको बहुत अच्छे से करके जाइएगा बिकॉज अगर आप इसको अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसमें से क्वेश्चन आने के चांसेस हैं, क्वेश्चंस रिपीट होते हैं. दैट्स वाई आई एम ब्रिंगिंग दिस सीरीज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू कि जितने भी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपके रिवाइज हो जाए. ओके. ऑल्सो रिगार्डिंग हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी, students, we have 25 seats available in each batch for Sainik RMS and RIMC. If you want to prepare well, if you really want to be selected in any of the prestigious schools, you have to join Geometry School hostel at any cost. Okay. For getting the information how you can reach to us, I am giving you a contact number here also, but this is my contact number where you can call and reserve your seats by taking the information. Dealing with the first question of today's class, could accident few unhurt from escape the fire? You have to do what? You have to arrange these words in a proper sentence. So few could escape unhurt from the fire accident. This will be the right answer. Few could escape unhurt from the fire accident. Next, meeting king after he departed. He departed after meeting the king. मिलने के बाद वो चला गया. This is the right answer. Moving on to third one, an email who wrote. An email who wrote. The right answer of this question is who wrote an email. Who wrote an email. Clear? Moving on to next, taken to the hospital were the injured. Now what is the right answer? The injured were taken to the hospital. The injured were taken to the hospital. Clear? Coming back to question number 5. Though she rich, Mimi is proud not. So what will be the right answer? Though Mimi is rich, she is not proud. Though Mimi is rich, she is not proud. Clear? This will be your right answer. Okay, for students who are the aspirants of Sainik School, please be very careful. We have launched our test series, students, for all of you. Do purchase that test series for practicing questions. We have good level of questions related to your exam and also your performance will be seen there itself. Okay, time waste मत कीजिए, टेस्ट सीरीज को परचेज कर दिए और अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को चेक कीजिए कि वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट वी हैव सोनू ran when the postman at the door knocked to answer it. Okay, so what will be the right answer? When the postman knocked at the door, Sonu ran to answer it. When the postman knocked at the door, Sonu ran to answer it. Next, my winning a medal, I told him until about not known he had. So what can be the right answer of this? He had not known about my winning a medal until I told him. He had not known about my winning a medal until I told him. Clear? Moving on to 8. Clothes we new year on during put the new. Okay. Clothes we new year on during put the new. What is the right answer? On new year we put. What will be the right answer? We put on new clothes during the new year. We put on new clothes during the new year. This is D, not C. Okay. We put on new clothes during the new year. Clear everybody? Moving on to next, he stepped out, had hardly, it began when to rain. Okay. He stepped out, had hardly, it began when to rain. Hardly had he stepped out when it began to rain. Hardly had he stepped out when it began to rain. This is the right answer. Which one is? This one is right. Hardly had he stepped out when it began to rain. Clear? Moving on to the 10th one, rearrange the following in a sequence to form a meaningful sentence. Feel that I terrible, you into got an accident. What is the right answer? I feel terrible that you got into an accident because it is giving us some meaning. So this will be my right sentence. I feel terrible that you got into an accident. Clear? For students who are preparing for UP Sainik Schools, there is also a good opportunity for you. We have a lot of questions on our website to prepare. Also we have so many questions in our test series which are suitable according to your exam pattern. Okay, so go there, visit our website, purchase the courses or purchase the test series because test series will only help you to learn more number of questions, more concepts, and to judge yourself whether you are standing, are you able to crack it or not. Clear? Next we have, cannot achieve he wealth and fortune, works unless hard he. Okay, so what can be the right answer? The right answer is he cannot achieve wealth. He cannot achieve wealth and fortune unless he works hard. This is the right answer. He cannot achieve wealth and fortune unless he works hard. Clear? Moving on to the 12th one. Rearrange the letters to find out correct words from the options given below. Okay, so what I am telling you students, again, no need to put your brain in this. What you have to do in such kind of questions, where you have to form a meaningful sentence or a meaningful word, just look at the options first. Okay, here I am looking at the options starting from A, emerge. I am getting the word. Without wasting any time by looking at other options, you just immediately mark emerge as your answer, because we know it's a word in English and also it has some meaning. So this will be my right answer. Moving on to 13th, rearrange this word. Again we have night. You know this is a word in English. This is a word. Okay, this is a word. It has a meaning. So this will be my right answer. Next we have, just look at the options where you are getting it. Museum. Museum. This will be my right answer. M-U-S-E-U-M. Moving on to the 15th one, verse. Moving on to the 15th one, the right answer of 15th is this, verse. Verse is the right answer. Clear? Okay students, I am again reminding you to join hostel. ठीक है, हॉस्टल में रहेंगे, अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन होगी, घर पर बैठकर पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. हॉस्टल में आपको पूरा अच्छे से वो एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा, वो स्टडी का एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा जहाँ पर आप सब कुछ अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सिर्फ पढ़ाई होगी, प्लेइंग टाइम होगा, एवरीथिंग यू विल गेट इन आवर हॉस्टल. Just once visit us and just visit us our campus. Look at everything we have. We have playing instruments as well. We have a playground. We have swings. We have everything. Our batches are starting from 1st of January. If you really want to work well, if you are really looking forward for getting admission in RIMC, RMS or Scenic, whichever is your favorite, you can come to us, visit and enhance your preparation accordingly. Okay. We're moving on to the 16th one. 16th we have deaf. 16th we have deaf here, the right word. Okay. Next, our thought ancestors, anything that moved which itself alive was. What is the right answer of this question? The right answer of this question is our sense. So what is the right answer? Our ancestors thought that anything which moved itself was alive. This is my right answer. Okay. 18. Now arrange 18 question. Arrange question number 18. I read in the paper that the burglar had been caught. I read in the paper that the burglar had been caught. मैं आपको फिर से समझा रही हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, इन सेंटेंसेस को बिल्कुल पढ़ के जाइएगा, बिकॉज रिकॉर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस रिपीट हो रहे हैं. आपके पास टाइम नहीं है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस रिवाइज करने का, मैं आपको रिवाइज कराऊंगी. मैं इन्हीं सीरीज़ के थ्रू आपके एग्जाम से पहले आपके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन को रिवाइज कराऊंगी. मैंने पहले भी वीडियोस अपलोड की हुई हैं, आप उनको देखेंगे तो आपको स्पेलिंग एरर, सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनियम्स, वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन सब मिलेगा. ठीक है, अब हमारी टर्न आ गई है वर्ड फॉर्मेशन पर, सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन पर. ओके, सो प्लीज बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक विद योर स्टडीज. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, पार्ट्स मेनी कॉफी पॉपुलर इन वर्ल्ड, द इज वेरी ऑफ. सो वी कैन ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड कॉफी इज वेरी पॉपुलर इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Coffee is very popular in many parts of the world. Next we have talking to a group, while should one self-confident and courageous feel. What is the right answer? The right answer will be while talking to a group one should feel self-confident and courageous. While talking to a group one should feel self-confident and courageous. Clear? ओके, नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द सब्सक्रिप्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे ज्योमेट्री स्कूल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को हिट कर दीजिए. अगर आप बेल आइकन नहीं हिट करते हैं तो आप तक इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी भी एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड नहीं जा पाएंगी। इसीलिए, और अगर आप बेल आइकन को हिट करते हैं तो हम जो भी पोस्ट करेंगे, जिस भी चीज़ से रेलेवेंट होगा, वो आप तक पहुंच जाएगी, ठीक है। इसीलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए। टिल देन, बाय बाय, take care and wait for the next video where we'll be revising some more questions that were there in the previous year questions, and the chances of those questions coming in exam are really very high. Okay, so be prepared and all the best.